So a couple of days ago, I got some fresh butchered pork from a relative, and I decided to make some bacon. I have about 15 pounds of pork belly here. There's 2 layers. The mixture on top is half kosher salt and half organic sugar. It's rubbed all over it. This is about day 3. So we'll see how it turns out. I also managed to can about 10 pints, dry canned, with breakfast sausage seasoning. I froze about the same amount. And I also got 4 meals of pork loin from one large loin that I got. So, as the bacon progresses, I might follow up with another video so I know what I did next time I go make it.